I'm just opening and unboxing a white Mic Mini microphone here. It's a little bit old now, but I'll show you what comes with the box if you buy the white microphone by itself. Maybe of interest to some people. Okay, let's go. A white one, so we'll open that up. This is actually the unboxing for the white mic, so we'll just have a look at what you get in the box. I suspect it'll be the same as the black one, just different color. So yeah, you get the box, a little instruction and product information booklet, and DJI give you this case whether you buy. My experience is each mic that I've bought, because I've bought them separately, I've got one of these, and this is big enough to put everything in. So if you didn't have this charging case, you actually get this, and this is big enough to hold multiple microphones, the receiver, cables, everything. So anyway, I'll show you let's have a look at what's in here. So, okay, we get a white base for charging. I'll open these up to show you. I don't think it'd matter if you had a black base, but they've given you everything color coordinated. I guess some people might like white. You won't need that if you've got the charging case, or you might, because you might want to charge them separately, or like me now, I've got multiple microphones. There's the microphone, I'll undo that in a second. And there's our dead cats. You get a USB-A to USB-C cable as well. And yeah, you get this quite nice case, which allows you to carry everything. You'll carry multiple microphones and receivers and whatever in here, not a problem if you want to put something smaller in your pocket. So you've got the option of that, or carrying this, or you could have both and take them out. Maybe have that in your camera bag and then put this one in your pocket or something. Anyway, whatever floats your boat. Let's have a look at the mic. So you'll see I've done a review of this mic and unboxing and my thoughts on the black ones. As I said, I've already got them and been using them. I'm not using that for this video. I'm actually using a mic 2. That's only because I've got it paired to the camera I'm using. I haven't noticed any difference in quality between the two. There may be, but these sound quite good to me. So that is the Mic Mini. Now, so compared to a mic 2, you've got like about half the size. The width is it's nearly half as wide. By the time you've got the clip on there, it's similar, but it's considerably smaller. So yeah, you might want to consider that. Let's put this back on. So yeah, it won't matter whether you have whichever one you use. You can put white or black in here. And let's just look at the dead cats. Let's see what how the color looks. I was expecting it to be a white. No, I'd call it like a. Okay, you get two dead cats. You get the traditional grey one as well. You get that same thing with the black version. You get a grey and a black. I just stick with black. This one, I wouldn't say that's actually white. I'd say it's more of a very light grey. Let's stick him on here and show you what it looks like with that little hat on. Okay, there you go. Yeah, it's not bad, but you can see it's not actually white. But I guess that doesn't matter. I'll probably get dirty pretty quick anyway. I'm intending to probably use this. Sometimes I'm in places where I don't want to wear dark clothing, so I might have white shirt or a white t-shirt. So I'm intending to use it for that. But also with this Mic Mini, I'm probably going to set up a second one and just use it to as a maybe use it as a remote to turn on and off the camera. But anyway, that's the white DJI Mic Mini. Thanks for watching.